Jewelry can elevate an outfit instantly, but only if it is styled the right way. Today, we are breaking down 7 common jewelry mistakes that people continue to make, and more importantly, how to fix them in 2025. If you want your accessories to look intentional, modern, and refined, this guide will help you get there. Let's begin. Layering chains and necklaces is still very much in style, but unstructured stacking can look chaotic. One of the biggest mistakes is mixing too many lengths and textures with no hierarchy. Choose a focal piece, then add 1 or 2 supporting layers in clear length order. Keep metal colors consistent, and avoid piling on statement pieces together. The goal is balance, not noise. Another common error is wearing metals that clash with your undertone. This does not mean you must follow rigid rules, but your jewelry should complement your natural coloring rather than compete with it. Warmer skin tones generally pair best with gold and bronze, while cooler tones typically shine with silver, platinum, or white gold. If you prefer mixed metals, keep the combination deliberate. In 2025, blended metal looks are modern when the pieces share a similar style. Proportion creates visual harmony, but many people overlook it. A tiny necklace paired with oversized earrings or a massive cuff with delicate rings can throw off your entire look. Match the scale of your jewelry to both your outfit and your body proportions. Structured or minimal clothing pairs well with bolder pieces, while detailed outfits require more refined, lightweight accessories. Statement earrings and statement necklaces rarely work together. The competing focal points draw attention away from your face and overwhelm your neckline. Choose one feature piece. If you wear strong earrings, skip the necklace or opt for something subtle. If your necklace is the hero, keep your earrings minimal. This is the fastest way to create a polished, editorial look. Ring stacking is everywhere in 2025, but inconsistent styling can look messy. Mixing ultra-thick bands with delicate open rings can create visual imbalance. Select a theme, whether it is geometric, minimalist, or bold, and stack with intention. Use complementary widths, repeat the same metal, and vary height and textures in a controlled way. Your hands will look far more cohesive on camera and in person. One subtle yet common mistake is pairing jewelry that contradicts the outfit style. For example, pairing a formal pearl necklace with an athletic or streetwear outfit usually creates a mismatch unless styled intentionally. Align your accessories with the mood of your clothing. Casual looks pair well with simple chains and minimalist pieces. Business or tailored looks benefit from structured metals. Evening or event styling allows for bolder, more sophisticated designs. Fashion evolves, and jewelry does too. Many people continue wearing outdated styles because they simply have not reassessed their accessory collection. For 2025, trends lean toward modern minimalism, clean edges, mixed metals used intentionally, sculptural shapes, and high-quality pieces over quantity. Refreshing even 1 or 2 pieces can instantly update your entire aesthetic. Jewelry should enhance your style, not distract from it. If you avoid these 7 mistakes, your accessories will look more intentional and contemporary. Let me know which mistake surprised you the most, and subscribe for more styling advice.